going through the presentation and learning and understanding. If you do have any query, so my request to all of you, kindly keep your query posted in the chat box, so that once I complete my presentation, I will be definitely in the position to answer your queries. So within this 60 minutes, 30 minutes or half an hour, we will be going through the presentation, and rest 30 minutes we will be going through the the question and answer sessions. So what is the confusion in the mind of all the professionals here nowadays? A lot of ambiguity which is going on there in terms of the employer and employee, and what employee should do at this point of time with when the COVID situation is there. We all are working from home, field work is not allowed, and doctors are now restricted to seeing the patient physically and meeting the people, especially the medical reps and the ABMs face to face. They are more going to the e-prescription and the tele prescription or something like that. So let me share with you something which will possibly be helpful to you in terms of understanding the situation, understanding the entire presentation here. So, okay. So hope the screen is visible to everyone. Lamba sir, can you please just tell me whether the screen is visible to you or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very much visible.
So are you able to see the slide?
No, the slide. Now the slide is not.
Yes. No.
Okay. Okay.
The pharmaceutical industry impact, PCP. Yeah.
Yeah. Post-COVID phase. So PCP is the acronym. Yeah. So before I go for this presentation, so there is a disclaimer that these all are whatever the thoughts are there. These are my personal thought. These are not the organizational thought or something. But this is the the zest of lot of industry leaders. So day before yesterday, I was attending the the webinar with the lot of the multinational and Indian good companies MDs. So they all were participating in the the webinar, and they were sharing about their views about their organization, multinational company, and the Indian company, good Indian companies, what they are doing, what should be their strategies. So some of the thoughts I will be sharing with you here, which will be helpful for you to understand the situation in your organization, what is going on. So let me take you through the impact on industries. So the emotional impact of lockdown on all of us, as per the WHO data, the 1st May to 2020, there are this much number, 31,45,000. This is the number of cases were there, and more than 2 lakhs deaths were confirmed. And total overall country, those who got impacted is 214. So the most affected industry because of this COVID, the industries like travel and tourism industry, automotive industry, aviation industry, entertainment industry, hospitality, and electronic and MSME industry. So these are the industry which are badly impacted because of the COVID. Now, when you talk about the pharmaceutical industry, what I should say that the least impacted industry is the pharmaceutical industry. Why and how we will be going to discuss in the subsequent slides. The Indian pharmaceutical market business and the top player. So Indian pharmaceutical business, as you know very well, is the third largest the industry in the world when it comes to overall pharmaceutical business. So India is the largest provider of generic drugs globally. Yeah, so these are the few facts and the figures are there that India is considered to be one of the largest producer of the generic medicine, and especially you might have seen the kind of hydroxychloroquine need was there. So we are the biggest supplier to entire world for hydroxychloroquine, which was considered to be one of the treatment for the COVID. Now, why Indian pharmaceutical market is promising, there are few facts and figures. If we just keep in our mind, so we will still see a lot of scope there in the Indian pharmaceutical market. So, leading pharmaceutical producer in the world, Indian pharmaceutical market. Second is we have the highest export, the fastest growing industry. If you see the entire world, the fastest growing industry, ranking 5th in attracting the FDI. Is foreign direct investment. So when it comes to investing in the organization and the industry, pharmaceutical is one of the lucrative attraction for all the people, those who are the big investors. Now especially the COVID phase and post-COVID phase. Now there is a saying that this COVID phase is the opportunity for many of the investors, those who wanted to invest in the market, especially in the pharmaceutical sector, because everybody knows that once we will be going to have the vaccine in our hand. So the pharmaceutical sector is the only sector who will be going to set the priorities for and the roadmap for other sectors also. So the kind of growth which is there in the generic market. So this is about the rough about the industry. We have this Indian pharmaceutical industry. APIs are there, R&Ds are there, research and development, formulations and biosimilars. So we operate in all these segments. So as per the estimation by 2020, so 415,000 crores in Indian rupees, in INR, you can see the revenue which is expected from this Indian pharmaceutical market. So now, what will change? So when it comes to your questions, must be there in your mind that what will going to happen to my job and my company? Are they going to lay off, or there will be a job loss and the job cut in the companies? Remember always, whatever will be the situation post COVID, there will always be there is a need of a people, those who can understand the profile of a customer, those who can present the brands in front of a doctor. How they will present physically face to face or virtually, that is a different issue, but they need people. And what is the adoption ladder for these people when they go and facing the customer? So this is what, as per the global survey, customer, you talk about any customer, they look for these four things. Number one is the quality of staff. Number two is the product quality. Number three is service quality, and a customer will define what are their personal needs. So when it comes to pharmaceutical profession, these four things are really needed by our customer, those who are there in the marketplace, those who are the doctors and the healthcare professionals. So they are always looking for this type of things whenever they need something from the professionals and the pharmaceutical organizations. Now coming to the important point here, whatever the anxiety is there in your minds, that what will going to happen to my job, to my organization, what are the growth chances are there for my next level promotion if I am working with any organization in Indian pharmaceutical market. So how the business strategies look like post-COVID? So will it going to be normal as it was earlier? No, there will be a change. Now what will be the change? We will be going to see to it in the subsequent slide. Now there are the impact on the employee and employer. Now what will be the impact on the employee and employer? So my request to you, there are a couple of videos are available on YouTube. So if you are accessible to the YouTube, I think now everybody is having the smartphone and the mobile. Go through the YouTube and find out. There are 3-4 videos. My own videos are there on my channel. That is called the Dear Life. So there I have defined about what employee should do at this point of time during COVID time, and what employer should do. What should be their treatment to their employees, and what should be the engagement of the employee during this time. So there you will get the complete detail of what employee should do, what you should do in terms of enhancing and upbringing your qualification and the new skills. So you can go through there. Now there is a very special situation which is there, the COVID situation. This is unforeseen situation, unprecedented situation. Now, what is the important thing here? There is a model which is called the SBI model. What is the SBI model? Is called the situation, behavior, and the impact. So this situation was not thought of. No one has thought of about this much time will come in the life. Even the people and the generations have not seen such a time like COVID time which we are experiencing nowadays. So what will be the situation? What should be the behavior, and what is the impact on us, on the entire industry, and what should be the alternate behavior? So now in the coming slide, I will be sharing with you some of the alternative behaviors of the pharmaceutical companies and the alternative impact on the entire community and our jobs. Now there is a survey done by McKinsey and some more big consulting organization to respond the best change driven by the COVID-19 pandemic. Pharma companies should consider, reorientation for their commercial model. Now, what are the reorientation there? So, most physicians are dropping the number of patients in terms of the new normal. So, the question where I can understand that you must be having, this type of questions in your mind, that impact on the job. So, when it comes to impact on the job, there are few promising things are there which I would like to share with you. The least impacted industry is the pharmaceutical industry. Even what I can say here at this point of time, pharmaceutical industry or the healthcare industry is the only industry which will be helpful for other industries also to set a roadmap for their future. to bring up the new strategy for other industries. Now business model will going to change. Virtual interaction will take place along with the face-to-face interaction with the customer. Big player has a big role to play. Now you might have seen that China has given this, this wound to the world. And India is the only country who has supplied the hydroxychloroquine to the entire world. I'm sure that you might have heard, when Donald Trump was keep on requesting, Mr. Narendra Modi, our respected Prime Minister, for the supplying for the hydroxychloroquine tablet. And India is the, hydroxychloroquine, when it comes, India is the largest producer for hydroxychloroquine. More scope for research and development in the field of COVID. Many Indian companies, they have already started, the second phase of their trial when it comes to the vaccines for COVID. Reputation gain in the world for pharma as well as for healthcare. Now, when it comes to reputation gain in the world, especially the Indian pharmaceutical market and Indian pharmaceutical companies, they have very high, respect in the entire world pharmaceutical industries. Pharma and healthcare will set a roadmap for other industry, and India will produce the vaccine for COVID-19 very soon, and which we will be going to see very soon that this will be going to happen in front of us only. And the respect and the reputation for pharmaceutical companies, pharmaceutical professionals will going to be very, very high. So what I can say here, I see the scope for the pharmaceutical professionals that we will be much more respected and the reputation will be much more, higher when it comes to, the overall industry and the entire world. Now, this was the data and the few things which I wanted to share with you. As per the estimation done, there are the chances that the total overall in the world, if you see the other industries, there are chances that 25 million jobs, that is the International Labour Organizations, this has estimated will be lost, 25 million job lost in the entire world. Now, when it comes to the overall job loss, if there is an anxiety in your mind that what will going to happen to my job, what I can say, even the last month data sales figure says that the most of the pharma companies, they were able to achieve their budget 100%. Now you can think of, we have not worked in the field, we have not yet even met the customer from last 45-50 days. In spite of that, many companies are there, those who have achieved their budget. So this is the overall impact on the industry. Now you can correlate about your own organization. So when it comes to the question that is it going to be my company or something else, your company, now the small player in the pharmaceutical companies, those who are having, the employee size of around 200, 300, 500, there may be some impact which we can see. But yes, majority, if you will see the majority of the company organization, those who are good Indian companies, those who are having the, strong, base, in terms of their finances, in terms of their, the reservoir of the finances, they will be not going to impact because of this. But yes, smaller organization like the budding organization where the strength is below 500, there may be some impact. Now, when it comes to some impact, there may be, we have seen that some of the organizations, they have stopped recruiting the new people because nobody want to give the money to the newer employee when they are not working. So once this COVID phase will be over, lockdown will be over, people will be started recruiting for the new professionals there, and the things will become normal. So, okay. So this is what I wanted to share with you all, that the things are going to be very normal, and the least impacted industry is the pharmaceutical industry. And now we will be leading amongst all the industries. Like I shared with you the job cut and the things which will be happening. Yes, that will be happening. We have seen that, a lot of airlines like Indigo Airline, like SpiceJet and other airlines, they are now keeping their people on hold, that till the time situation will not become normal, you don't come. What they will do? So things are, difficult for the other industry people, aviation industry, hotel industry, travel and tourism industry. But when it comes to pharmaceutical industry, I see still a lot of, the good scope for even the growth, and the future is much brighter. Now, I would like to take some questions here, Lamba sir.
Hi, sir.
So there are a few questions in the chat box.
Yeah. I let me see to it. Okay.
So there are two, Dheeraj and one more.
Yeah. So good afternoon. Good afternoon. Nice to see you, sir. Okay. Amit Taneja, dear students. Okay. Fine. So don't. Okay.
Himanshu.
Okay. Let me see. Himanshu Singh. Himanshu Singh is asking, good afternoon, sir. Sir, my query is like we are about to be on the field from 11th May in green and orange zones. If the doctors are not allowing us to be in the chambers or in hospitals, medical reps are not allowed, then what should we do? Good question, Himanshu. So, Himanshu, what should you do if doctors are not allowing? So, there is a bifurcation. You are talking to specific doctors, or the all doctors are not allowing you to meet. Yes, there are few doctors are there, those who are specialists. They may be busy in terms of taking care of the patient. They may not allow you, but I think in the green zone there should not be any issue. So if you talk about many organizations, they will be going to start there. Even their managers have already started working in the field, and they are meeting the doctors. Yeah, so in the red zone, it is absolutely not allowed, but in the orange zone, but important thing here at this point of time, while you are meeting these doctors, you need to take care of yourself. So meet these doctors, those who are allowing, and it's not like that 100% doctors, they are not interested now meeting with the medical reps. Yes, there will be few doctors. So those who are not meeting, find out the way. There must be some ways. Find out the number of the doctor, or there may be some notice on the in the doctor's clinics. Find it out what is written over there. They must be meeting the digitally or some other way. Inform your line manager, inform your company that this is what the things are happening, and they must be having some strategy. So hope I was able to answer your question, Himanshu. There is a next question from Dheeraj.
Let him. Himanshu, have you heard? Are you okay with the things, or you want to ask something else? कुछ और पूछना चाहोगे, Himanshu?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am talking about that in the hospitals we are not allowed. Then what should we do in the hospitals? That most of the calls we are taking in hospitals.
Yeah. So Himanshu, if it is not allowed, what you can do? You cannot do anything, or no one can do anything if it is not allowed. Inform your company. So when you inform your company, they must be having the email ID or something. Let them, let your marketing department, let your people should frame a strategy. Which company you are working, Himanshu?
Sir, Lupin Limited.
Okay, Lupin. So very nice. So good, but they must be having some alternative, some or other alternative.
Okay.
If they do not have anything, they may inform them that these are the hospitals, those who are not allowing for a medical rep, not only to you, to other companies also, and let them formulate some strategy or something.
I think
Okay,
there
sir.
will be
Thank
many
you,
issues which will come once they go into the market. So instant, obviously, solution will not come. The solution will come with time when the problems will come. So some are anticipated, some are not. So there will be few things which you will go into the market and see that these problems were not anticipated, but this is coming. So need to get the solution immediately.
Yeah, especially this month, May month is little crucial and the critical. I think I see some opportunities from from the next month, June month. So you will see then the change in their behaviors also in the doctor. They will start meeting once the things will be normal. Yeah. So Priyanshu Gupta, I can see your question. Post COVID.
So there is one from Dheeraj Dhariwal also. Dheeraj.
Yeah, Dheeraj. Okay. We see that the buying behavior of people has changed during this post-COVID-19. Can we expect that patient buying behaviors will shifting towards digital purchase of medicine post-COVID? If yes, as a pharmaceutical company, what steps should the company take? So, Dheeraj,
Good question. Good question.
Dheeraj, your question is very good, and I think many companies already started, implementing the new ways when it comes to chemist also. I don't know which company you are working, but I think many companies they have started engaging the chemist also, the top chemist digitally. And the buying behavior, when it comes to, yes, there will be a change. Once this phase will over, there will be a change in the, the prescription and the buying behavior of the customers also. And then the things will become normal. So, Priyanshu
I think
Gupta.
what he must be trying to mention is that suppose the doctor writes a prescription and the patient goes online purchase of the medicine. So obviously his prescription will not be honored. So how will that impact his sales? जो मेरे मुताबिक ये उसके कहने का मतलब है कि अगर वो पेशेंट जाएगा नहीं केमिस्ट के पास, बिकेगा नहीं, तो फिर इनकी सेल में कैसे आएगा?
Yeah, so when it comes to e-pharmacy, yes, when it comes to e-pharmacy, I think the e-pharmacy people also purchase at the central purchase. Yeah, so inform the organization. So this will actually the initial phase. Many companies, they are actually not having proper structure for this. They are just looking at the situation and they are designing something. So they are in the process of changing their way of operation and changing their making their strategies. So give them some time. There will be something which will be going to come.
Obviously, sir. Obviously, nobody would like the person hard work to not to go into the sales action.
So Priyanshu Gupta, post COVID would be shifted to totally digital call, or it will be a blend of both physical and virtual. Yes, Priyanshu, depends upon the zone. If you would have seen in the presentation, there will be in the green zone, things will not be affected much, but yes, there will be some impact will be there when it comes to digital or the blended virtual calling to our doctors. So in the orange zone and the red zone, there will be the digital call may happen. The virtual lot of intervention will take place there over there. But over a period of time, when this will also become normal, so this will going to be set trend for the future. The intervention between the two blended approach, virtual as well as for the face-to-face meeting with the customer. Priyanshu, hope I answer your question.
Priyanshu, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thanks, sir. Okay. But sir, actually, I have a doubt. Like yesterday, our vice president addressed us, and he was. Hello.
Priyanshu, company batao.
Hello.
Which company? कौन सी company में हो Priyanshu?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am working in Johnson and Johnson.
Okay, J&J. Okay.
So, sir, yesterday our vice president addressed us, and he was saying that they will put us in the field when this corona will be vanished. Like till they will be sure our safety. So regarding that, I'm asking will the world will be totally virtual? Like many companies are indulging in these Skype meetings or Skype calls.
Yeah.
So even the one topic was discussed MRs will be banned from the clinics. So situation will be like that. Even recently, IMA even released a notification regarding this, till 31st July, MRs are the banned from the clinics. So what's your opinion on this, sir?
Yeah, so day before yesterday, I shared that I was with some of the MDs in the webinar. So your MD was also participating there in the webinar. So he also shared about the strategies which are there in J&J. So the things are this, Priyanshu, nothing is crystal clear in front of us as of now. Yeah, organizations are actually, they are also trying to find out the ways how the things are moving. Since we are seeing that in this situation, the government is also not taking any concrete step whether there will be complete lockdown or sometime they will extend the date and how much. So this is wait and watch time for the organizations also, as well as the recommendations from the government authorities also. So Priyanshu, at this point of time, what I can say that we need to wait and watch. Yeah.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Yeah.
This is
the time which is a completely confused time which is there. So there is, if you are expecting the concrete answer yes or no, this is not the right time for answering.
They need to wait and open up the things, and then I think the solutions will be there.
Yes.
Okay.
So shall we move to the next question? Kaushal Singh.
Yes, sir.
What are the new opportunities in future which we fresher in the field will have to grab in? Very good. So Kaushal, very good. I like your question. The new opportunity for you, increase your digital skills increase your digital understanding at this point of time, so that I see, I'm not sure, but I see there is a lot of scope for the people, those who are having good understanding on the digital platforms and other things. So at this point of time, when you are at home, what are you doing? Start building, learning new things. There are a lot of courses are available free of cost with the good, Coursera, Udemy, Harvard also offers a lot of free courses. So better if this you can utilize this time in building your knowledge and building new skills in the digital area. So learn, and once this lockdown will be over, you will be, with the newer skills, you will be ready to take the more challenges. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Mayank Vats. Good afternoon, sir. What should be done to get the business in case where we are not allowed to get in for call? And what is to be done if we get no reply from doctor? Okay. So, Mayank, actually what is happening nowadays, let me share with you. Many companies, their marketing departments, they have started, inviting doctor on the webinar. So I can see, most of the marketing heads, they are doing this webinar and conducting, a lot of marketing campaigns over there. So to conduct the marketing campaigns also, we need people, right? So if they are allowing you to engage them digitally, it's better. So this is the time where, digital interaction will definitely going to help you. So if you can tell me which company you are working and try to find it out. Yes, yes.
Hi sir, I'm working in Isaiah Pharmaceuticals right now, and I'm in.
Sunani.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Mayank.
Sir, I am working in Isaiah Pharmaceuticals right now.
Okay.
And the point of my question is that even if I'm calling few doctors, like I wanted to conduct a camp with my few doctors, but right now that is not possible. So to postpone it or to make a plan with it, earlier what we used to do, we used to meet them face to face, and there was a much more clarity towards the work which we have to do. But right now, on calls, many of the things are not clear to the doctor. If doctor is telling us something, those are not told in a very clear way, because everybody is already, I guess, anxious about whatever the situation is happening in the world right now. So how to tackle with it, sir?
Yeah, so Mayank, what I can say you, ESI, I know your people there in ESI in your head office also. So follow the marketing, what the strategies these people are preparing. Right. So rather than you put your own, the idea into it, follow the organizational strategy at this point of time, because each organization is having their own, way of approach to the customer. I think when it comes to ESI is a multinational company, I think they must be having, some plans that how to engage a doctor, how to engage the HCP at this point of time. Yeah. So till the time situation is not going to be normal, follow their, the organizational strategies and the guidelines, whatever they are giving you. Yeah, so if doctors are not allowing you to get inside the doctor's clinic, you can't do anything. It is not only you, even the other people also, although many of the pharma professionals, they can't do anything. But yes, when it comes to digital interaction, do they have some digital strategy, whether they are engaging you to engage the customer? Now, when it comes to, inviting a doctor for the webinar, making a telephone call to them and sending them the invitation through over a mail, I think in many companies, this is being done by the medical reps only. So people are there, your ABM, RBMs are there at the backside, in the field front, you are the only people, those who are still in the touch with the doctor. So either it is the face-to-face or the digital interaction. I think we need people, and you are the people, those who are the face of the organization in front of a doctor. Yes, Mike?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good. Okay, so I can see Rishabh Patel's question here. I am working in GE Healthcare. Very nice. So while I am reading, the company name, a lot of people are keep on coming in front of my eyes. Those I know them very well. Okay, and the scenario before the lockdown, they want to build cath lab. Yeah, but now they are denying. And it's getting hard to convince them what to do now, sir. Okay.
You can't do anything.
Very, very,
Very different person.
very genuine question, and I can understand the pain which you are going through. Yeah. So I don't think that there should be any issue, because what I understand about GE, that is there in the doctors, OT. So any doctor would like to meet the people from the Medtronics, GE at this point of time, and always. So just for your information, when we are struggling in terms of meeting a doctor and conducting a lot of webinars, still there are companies like Medtronics and other companies, those who are conducting a program, for the doctors when it comes to, and the doctors are paying and then attending their webinar. So they are paying the fees to attend the webinar of such companies. So I think for you there should not be any problem in the future. Maybe because of the situation may be worst in the last few weeks because of this, but I think you should not face any issue in the future. Yeah, Rishabh.
And I think it's the senior management, sir, who has to take the final decision. Actually.
Yes. Rishabh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So
I got it.
yeah, Rishabh.
हाँ जी ऋषभ कैसे हो?
सर अच्छे सर, आप कैसे हो?
हाँ, क्या हुआ, क्या कह रहे हो कंपनी को?
अरे सर क्या है, कुछ नहीं रहा हूँ, लेकिन ऐसा हो जाता है ना सर, जो पहले से बोल रहे थे डॉक्टर से उनको चाहिए सामान, सीआर मशीन्स हैं, सर मॉनिटर्स हैं, और लिटरली अब मैं जैसे उनसे बात करता हूँ तो उनका एक रहता है फंडा, यार अभी नहीं, आप थोड़ा रुक जाओ लॉकडाउन के बाद, या फिर उसके बाद 1-2 महीने में देखता हूँ। अब सर हमारा क्वार्टर तो चालू है ना, उसको तो हमको अचीव करना ही है।
कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा। ये डिफिकल्टीज माई है, अपने आप सोल्यूशन होगा, डोंट वरी।
हाँ जी सर।
So let me share with you one thing. There is an incident between there was a discussion going on between Akbar and Birbal. So Akbar asked one question to Birbal, and there is a this Akbar Birbal के किस्से तो हमने सबने सुने हैं. So Akbar asked a question to Birbal. Birbal, tell me one thing, which will be the most happiest and the most sad things. Can you share such sentence with me? So Birbal shared one sentence कि अकबर ये वक्त भी गुजर जाएगा.
Yes sir.
So ये वक्त भी गुजर जाएगा. This time will also be over. But we are the only generation those who are facing such a time, in a critical time at this point of time. Yes, but I am sure that this phase will also be over very soon. And the organizations and the companies are working in and day out in terms of day night preparing, doing some research in the field of coming up with the newer vaccine. Yeah. So, but yes, this time will definitely going to change so many things.
Sir, we are also
will India
to the customers that they have to be good. Like attend that ECG or else that CTG machines or who can say that ventilators regarding to that. Still the customer has been like, yaar abhi nahi.
So everything is, there is a fear in the mind of everyone, each and everyone at this, because there is no certainty. Every day is coming with the newer information, what is going to will be happening at the different parts of the country, and the new news that keep on coming. So this is the time which is, the unprecedented and the very, time which is completely in the state is completely confused one. Yes, Rishabh.
Yes, sir.
So how doctors are also human beings here, and we have heard about so many doctors, those who are while treating the patient, they also get infected and they are also suffering with this.
Right, sir.
Yeah. So because of this, there may be some apprehensions, but I am sure very soon we will be going to have the new normal.
Yes, sir. Hope so, sir.
Okay, Pankaj sir, can I answer Tarun Jha's question? It's about unions problem.
Yeah, please.
Okay, Tarun, are you getting me?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Tarun. Okay, your question is also valid. I know.
Tarun,
that whatever problem you are facing,
सर को बताओ कौन सा हेडक्वार्टर है और कौन सा कंपनी है तरुण?
सर मधुबनी हेडक्वार्टर है, बिहार GSK कंपनी.
अरे वाह.
Okay, Tarun. Union walas will always create problems. I can understand because I have worked in Haryana and Punjab, so I know unions and Ravinder ji. But then this is something strange on behalf of unions, that they are not allowing you to go to the stockist. The only thing is, Tarun, what we have been doing is, because as a manager, I was also not able to go to the stockist after 3 o'clock. So what we used to do is just give, today everybody is having, digital platform. So in case you want to know what is the stock line, what is the inventory, and which are the near expiry products or non-moving products, ask your stockist to send by mail the stock and sales statement to you after 15 days only. So that even if, let's not take panga with the unions, okay, they will understand, a good sense will prevail once they will understand, because unions also will find it very, very difficult to survive post COVID-19. Because what the sales calls come on digital platform only, right? So how they can stop? Yeah. So now we have an alternative. Please ask your stockist, wala, because it is in their interest to share the stock position with you. So ask him. They will send the jolly good mail, because they have that software with them. They can download it. So every time, you can have a ready-made stock and sell statement in which opening stock, closing stock, secondary sale, near expiry products, non-moving products, every analysis they give and they share it with you. So that will solve your problem. Just give politely. No need to go to stockist. You can still have it. And from there only you can find out that which are the products which need to be ordered to the C&F, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
In case any problem of union you still find, you can talk to me personally also. I'll give you the tips to handle it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Vinay is there? Vinay is there? Vinay?
So, Ravinder,
Yes, sir.
Vinay.
Yes.
विनय आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देके अपना क्वेश्चन पूछो.
Very good afternoon, sir.
We are already getting this question.
Yeah, Vinay, good afternoon.
Sir, I am in ZS Pharma.
ZS Pharma.
Buyer, sir.
Buyer. Okay. Buyer ZS. Okay.
Sir, my question is, how much time it will take to come back in the normal market scenario post lockdown? Like we are not going for the calls and not doing proper work as we are doing earlier.
Your question is very difficult question to answer. How much time it will going to take. Okay. So yes. So depends upon the situation, Vinay. But what I can see, at least after post lockdown, it should take around 20-25 more days to come to the new normal. Yes, and that's also with lot of recommendations and the government rules and regulations that how it will going to happen. Yes, Vinay.
Yes, sir.
So just wait, Vinay, let the things be normalized. धीरे धीरे करके जैसे से टाइम लगता रहेगा, जैसे लॉकडाउन खुलेगा, सिचुएशंस इंप्रूव होती जाएंगी. थोड़ा पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा. आई नो पेशेंस रखना बड़ा मुश्किल है इस टाइम पे. कंपनी भी पेशेंस रखिए, आप भी रखिए, अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज इंक्रीज करो, अपनी और चीजें इंप्रूव करो, और टाइम आएगा जब चीजें सब नॉर्मल हो जाएंगी. सो यू नीड टू वेट. एक्चुअली यू कांट डू एनीथिंग एट दिस मोमेंट.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, so Tarun Jha, are you there? Still there?
Yes, sir, I am there.
Tarun, you are talking about the internal GSK union or the external union or
external union?
Okay, so whenever the external people are asking you to do something, tell them I am following. We have internal union.
Sir, I have told them. They also know that we are having GSK internal union, but that doesn't work like that.
Sorry, they are not allowing that or what?
They are not allowing. Yes, they have not forced me, but I have got information about, and that information is from a stockist side only. He has given the memo that there is.
तरुण, तुम पंजाब से गए हो यार, पंजाब के शेर बनो. क्या करते तुम जाके बिहार में वैसे ही हो गए हो हैं?
नहीं सर, वो डरने वाली बात नहीं है. मैं तो जाता भी नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे फोन पे सारा काम हो जाता है.
हाँ, बस बढ़िया. दैट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट.
That's more
क्योंकि
important.
रिलेशन अच्छा है तो फोन पे ही सारा काम हो जाता है, मुझे अभी तक जाना नहीं पड़ा है, ये मेमो आने से पहले मेरा सारा काम हो जाता है, तो बस एज
Very
इन
good.
मैंने पूछा
Excellent.
कि क्या अगर ऐसा कुछ था तो
अरे
क्या होगा।
अरे तरुण, वो सुने हो कि नहीं, एक बिहारी 100 पे भारी।
ये तो सर हमेशा ही रहते हैं।
Anjali is there. Anjali has the next question.
Vinay, okay, question answer. Anjali, you can ask your question, please.
Anjali has asked very good question. That company is already doing a lot of webinar. Anjali, which company? Can you please tell me the name of the company?
Bayer, she's from Bayer.
She has left the meeting. She's not there.
I think she has left the meeting.
Okay, okay.
Hello,
But
hello.
we can answer this.
Yeah.
Anjali,
I think she has rejoined.
Hello, hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, Anjali, good afternoon.
Sorry, sir. By mistake, leave हो गया था, sir.
All
So,
right.
sir, I'm working in Bearzydis Pharma. So, sir, my question is that our company is already conducting a lot of webinars in this period. So, sir, what should be our other alternatives or strategies to reach doctors after lockdown if the doctors are not ready to meet us after lockdown period? So, because I'm working in South Delhi in corporate hospitals. So, sir, hospitals I think are not allowed us to meet like after in 6 months also, like there doctors are saying after lockdown is finished we are not ready to meet the MRs in
Right.
hospital. So, sir, our company is already conducting a lot of webinars in this period. So the doctors are fed up from webinar part also. So, sir, what should be other alternatives to reach doctors?
Yeah.
Very true.
Anjali, I am giving you few actually ideas what you can do if you really want to take an initiative, and this will help your company also. And when people are having a lot of problems and the issues with in meeting the doctors, and they are keeping a lot of reservation in meeting with the medical reps, because they also see the threat over there that we do not know who is the carrier of COVID.
Correct.
Yes. And we are working in the most vulnerable situation while we are going to meet a doctor in the hospital, and we do not know the kind of patients those who are sitting there, and we are in the completely the kind of environment where the higher chances for the infection is there. So if you can implement this, just do one thing. You must be having the doctor list and the telephone contacts of the doctors.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And the email IDs also. Yes.
Yes, sir, I have.
So you can make this. You can just try this. Send a WhatsApp message to the doctor. Doctor, I want to meet you personally, and I want to share with you something because you are very much important for my organization. Doctor, kindly let me know the mode of meeting you. You can send even the mail also to the doctor. Say for example, you are having 100 doctors. If you send mail to the 100 doctors, there will be a doctor who will respond you over WhatsApp or the email. There may be around only 30, 35 doctor or 40 doctor will respond you. So if this number of doctors are responding, you keep on informing to the organization also. This is what the initiative I have taken, and these are the doctors. Some doctor may give you the time at their residence or something else. Yeah, or some may tell you, okay, you can send me, you can call me at this time on this day over a phone. You can talk to me, something like that. So if you do this, you will be even in the position to find out the ways.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Anjali. Just do this, and we actually what happened, we cannot set our mind and by taking the initiatives. If you will do this, there may be possibility if 50% doctor, 40% doctor will respond to you and inform your company that this has happened with you, and company will even recognize you that you have taken this much efforts.
Okay, sir.
And sir, to add, doctors must also be in a lot of pressure at this time because on one side it's this disease, and on the second the patients are not coming. I mean, they have to restart all the things. Risk is there.